Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Arpitha Komanapalli and I'm glad you're watching this video. In this video, I'll be talking about quick tips to help you fall asleep quickly. Check your environment. Your bed is a place to sleep and rest comfortably. Only two other activities will not significantly impede a restful sleep: reading and intimate relations with your significant other. Anything else, such as work, computers, cell phones, or watching television, will reduce the quality of your sleep. Reduce any noisy interruptions from pets or outdoor activities. You might consider removing your pet from the bedroom or using a white noise machine to reduce interruptions from outdoor noises. Create a habit. Humans are creatures of habit. When you establish a soothing bedtime routine you go through each evening before bed, you are more likely to fall asleep easily. Activities such as warm bath, reading a good book, or relaxation exercises may help you fall asleep easier. If you have trouble falling to sleep one night, it's better to leave the bedroom and read quietly than to try even harder to fall asleep. It is strongly recommended using blue blocking glasses if you do this to prevent your reading light from further depressing your melatonin production. Set a routine. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time, your body becomes accustomed to the routine. This helps regulate your circadian clock so you can fall asleep and stay asleep all night. Keep this routine even on the weekends. Sunlight. Exposure to bright light first thing in the morning stops production of the sleep-inducing hormone melatonin and signals to your body that it's time to wake up. Outdoor sunlight is best, so you might even want to take a quick walk outside. Not only will this increase in physical activity and help you sleep later, but taking your walk outdoors either first thing in the morning or around the noon when the sun is high gives you more exposure to bright sunlight. Taking a walk every day in the bright sunlight will boost your vitamin D and also anchors your circadian rhythm at the same time. Dim your lights. In the evening around 8 p.m., you'll want to dim your lights and turn off electronic devices. Normally, your brain starts secreting melatonin between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m., and these devices emit light that may stifle that process. After sundown, shift to low wattage incandescent bulb with yellow, orange, or red light if you need illumination. A salt lamp illuminated by a 5-watt bulb is an ideal solution that will not interfere with your melatonin production. If using a computer, smartphone, install blue light blocking software like Iris. The easiest solution, however, is to use amber colored glasses that block blue light. This way, you don't have to worry about installing programs on all your devices or buying special light bulbs for evening use. Once you have your glasses on, it doesn't matter what light sources you have on your house. Exercise. Your body thrives on exercise and movement. It reduces your risk of heart disease and metabolic disorders. Exercise will help you get to sleep more easily and sleep more soundly. However, your body also releases cortisol during exercise, which may reduce your melatonin secretion. So exercise at least 3 hours before bed and earlier if you can. Optimal temperature. The optimal temperature for sleeping is between 60 to 68 Fahrenheit. If your room is cooler or warmer, you may have more restless night sleep. During sleep, your body's core temperature drops to the lowest level during a 24-hour period. The cooler your room is, the more conducive it may be to your body's natural drop in temperature. Start implementing these steps immediately to see a difference in your sleep patterns. You may find the links for some of the products that I have mentioned in the video in the YouTube description. Here is a scripture to meditate on. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Proverbs 3:24. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please share it with your family and friends. I'll see you again in my next video.